now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. I'm here, I guess. I mean, I guess. We have some Yeezys that released. Obviously, if you weren't able to get these, then Lord help you. But I know a lot of people weren't even like too pressed about it. They knew resale wasn't gonna be crazy, so they weren't gonna take the time and sit there on the computer trying to get them. Just pay the extra 75 bucks and pay the extra 100 and you got the shoe. Obviously I ordered a couple pairs just to do it. Really, I ordered 2 size 12s, a size 9 that I have coming on the way, so if you want a size 9, hit me up. And then I don't know, all I'm gonna say is YeezySupply has scammed us all, so I hope we're happy. Some people are saying if you go to UPS and you make an account and it'll show you what's coming to your house and YeezySupply has shipped, but I think it's BS. I think YeezySupply honestly needed the money, so they were like, hey, hold on, let's say we got unlimited pairs. Hey, let's have them just sit on the freaking website. They were there for about 5 days, guys. You could literally order a Yeezy V2 350 boost for 5 days. I swear. I swear. And if I go on this website right now and they're still on there, I'm going to absolutely... what do you know? Still taking loans. Hold on. If I can actually click something. Size 11. Purchase. Oh my lord. Check out. You're playing with me, bro. It's still on there. I'm telling you, something is wrong. They are taking loans. Do not do it. They are loaning money. There's no reason. How are they still on there? That doesn't even make sense. Like, you're telling me they haven't sold out? Like, nobody's bought them? It's BS. Oh, so they sell out on Adidas though, but they not sold out on YeezySupply. So YeezySupply had way more than Adidas had, because Yeezy is freaking everything. Man, I'm not paying for the freaking loan, man. Launch Kim's makeup another way, because it's not gonna be with my money. Because it's it's loans. Hey, but you do you. So if you want to buy from YeezySupply, try it. Somebody, actually, matter of fact, one of y'all try it. Tell me how it goes and what happens. And let me know in the comments. Other than that, I am out of here.